Hi, hello, and welcome to Digital Launcher once again. This is Shankar. The primary skill of a digital marketer is SEO. So, I thought of doing an SEO checklist video on page, soon followed by an off page SEO checklist. So, what is on page SEO? According to most, on page SEO is the practice of optimizing individual web pages in order to rank higher and earn more relevant traffic in search engines. On page is not a big task, but people forget the primary and basic things they should do before launching a website. So, in this video, we are going to discuss about the on page checklist. These are all the elements you should keep in mind before launching a website. Keyword, page title, meta description, image tags, H1 tags, and internal links. Let us discuss this one by one. There are a lot of articles on the internet on how to find a profitable keyword for your business. We are not going to discuss about that. But in the case of on-page SEO, there are two things regarding keyword. One is keyword density and another one is keyword stuffing. Let us understand the basic difference between these two. So let us understand the difference between keyword density and keyword stuffing. Keyword density is the number of times a searchable keyword appears within the content of a page. How to calculate the keyword density? Number of times the keyword appears divided by total number of words on the page into 100. So if you have written a 1000-word article and you have repeated your keyword 10 times, your keyword density is 1%. There is no standard rule set by Google or any others saying that your keyword density should be 1%, 2%, 3%, but definitely your keyword density should be 1%. So what is keyword stuffing? Sorry, the days of keyword stuffing are gone after the Google rank brain algorithm update. We understood the difference between keyword density and keyword stuffing. Now, what is the right place to insert the keyword? Your keyword should be present in title tag, ideally at the beginning of the title. Body content, try to place your keyword in the first paragraph of your content. Headings, URL, meta description, and image tags. Always choose a business related keywords for ranking higher in the SERP. Page title. Inserting keywords in a page title. Page title to include keywords and company name. Don't spam it, and the character limit is 60. You can see the sample title structure and example of the page title and how you should look in your website. Meta description is an important element in your on page. So this is a 160 character description, that is a marketing message for the page. When someone types a particular keyword on Google and when your result comes in, you can see the meta description under your URL. So how to write this meta description? Assume that you are going to write an ad copy for your product or service. Keep that in mind and write your meta description and make sure to keep it under 160 characters. And try to avoid duplicate meta description. Means if you have multiple pages, don't try to repeat those words in any of your meta description. H1 tags. Always include keyword once in H1 heading tag. Don't add more than once. This is also called keyword stuffing. There is no character limit, but keep it short and script. Mainly you can write your keyword or you can add your long tail keyword in H1 tag. Internal links. Some people call internal links as a strategy, but try to link relevant keywords with content to the inner pages via anchor tags. Your anchor tags may be your keyword to that page, but make sure you link every page present in your website. That's it. We are on an end to this on-page SEO elements. We have discussed about keyword, we have discussed about page titles, meta description, image tags, H1 tags, and internal links. So if you have any doubts on on-page SEO, please let me know in the comment section below and I will try to answer all your questions. Meanwhile, you can email me at umashankar@digitallauncher.com. Thanks for now.